If you suffer with blemish-prone or acne skin that's also really sensitive and prone to redness, it can really dent your confidence. It's the unpredictability of these conditions that can make you feel like you're not in control. One of the most important things we have learned from working with hemp plant is how to find balance in your life. And this moisturizer gives you everything your skin needs and nothing it doesn't. Our 3 breakthrough hemp extracts fuel the body's natural healing processes to restore calm and clear up persistent blemishes without overdrying or aggravating sensitive skin. Our Balancing Face Cream contains a high concentration of CBD cannabinoid extract. It naturally reduces sebum production, which is one of the main causes of acne. Hemp seed oil has high levels of linoleic and alpha and gamma linolenic acids, and it's these omegas that are powerful anti-inflammatories, so they really soothe the skin and reduce redness as well. Hemp hydrolate has natural antibacterial properties which help to combat spots, and it visibly tightens pores. Neroli hydrolate or flower water delivers the perfect amount of refreshing hydration, and it smooths skin texture. Balancing Face Cream's ultra-clean formula is free from artificial fragrances, mineral oils, alcohol, parabens, and other skin irritants. It's dermatologically tested and proven to reduce sebum production. After cleansing and toning, massage 1 to 2 pumps on the face, neck, and décolletage. The lightweight moisturizer absorbs instantly, and you can use it daily, morning and night. It only takes a moment to bring your skin into balance. At Hemptouch, we are really proud to be the first ever CBD and hemp skincare brand certified 100% natural by Natru, independent European certification. It's awarded exclusively to skincare products using sustainable production processes and environmentally friendly practices. Natru seal on Hemptouch products assures that raw materials are derived from nature and are free of synthetic fragrances, colors and dyes, petroleum-derived synthetics such as parabens and silicones, free from sodium lauryl sulfate, GMO ingredients, and no animal testing is allowed. At Hemptouch, we grow the hemp plants on fields right here in Slovenia, and we choose hand-harvested and organically grown ingredients whenever possible. Making the decisions isn't difficult. It's simply a matter of doing what's right. We display the Natru seal proudly for the many right decisions we have made to make the highest quality, most effective skincare products possible.